Hi, I'm David Laura, and we're here at Las Vegas at the Police Expo, and we're going to go over how the X26 can be mounted to a shotgun with the GripShot system. You can disconnect it from your duty belt, place it on your shotgun, and now you can have the non-lethal option, either with shotgun shells or rubber rounds. And as you see, the X26 is right there. So if you wanted to deploy the Taser, put it in, and actually pump the shotgun, you have that option. And then when you're done, you can disconnect it and put it back to your duty belt and have the shotgun as is. Thank you.